Well, hello. I was out here doing some work on the farm, and I thought I'd show everybody my new tool that I got for the farm. It is my new wood chipper. I had a big amount of brush that I had cleared everything out, and if anybody remembers, you've been following me long enough, you'll know that this shed was actually about to here. There was shrubbery about 5 foot out from that shed. So when I bought the house and the farm, I didn't even know that shed was there. So that was a bonus. But I cleared all that stuff out, and I just had it laying there against the fence all fall and all winter and all spring. And now, you know, we're getting close to summer, and I'm really wanting to amp up my compost production. And so I've been looking for a chipper, a shredder, whatever you want to call it. This one came online on Facebook, and you know, something like this is about a $300-400 chipper shredder. Brand new, it's like, you know, $500, $600, $700. But you buy something new, used, it's like $300, $400. But this one wasn't running, and the gas tank was completely busted. The guy hadn't run it for a couple years, so I said, so I ended up picking it up for like $80. It was more than I would have wanted to spend, but I knew I could fix it pretty easily. So I got a new carburetor on Amazon, and then put an old gas tank from an old lawnmower on there, fired that thing up, and I've been chipping and shredding. So here is the piles. If you can see down here, neighbor's dog's barking, but we've got a lot of mulch that's been going, and then this is all that's left. I wish I had a picture to show you of the pile, but that's all that's left. That's stuff that I can't chip and shred in there. But a lot of good composting material. This is stuff you could use around your beds, and here's how it shreds up. Really good stuff. You can even, and I have tested it, I can even run it through. I can run this through that through that chipper shredder and get stuff that comes out even more fine. Now this had a little bit of green wood in it and some leaves, so that's a little bit skewed if you were just doing wood. And then here's kind of what just those wood chips look like. But that stuff is perfect for compost. It's perfect if I was not using landscape fabrics, which I don't plan on doing long term, but that'd be perfect for on the beds or on your rows. It's going to make a good compost. So now I'm going to utilize this space here and put another big composting area there. I actually had a neighbor who's got a tree that's just been sitting down in his yard for months now, and I think I'm gonna go help him out now that I got my chipper shredder. But I just wanted to show you it. Here, I'll do a close-up on her. It runs good. The only thing is, I do have some plans potentially of doing some bamboo and getting that in there, and I don't think it's gonna shred that bamboo up so well. So for the price I paid for it, what I put in there, I probably could sell it right now and double my money. So I just have that in my back pocket when I'm done with this, which I've pretty much finished shredding everything I need to. I've still got a little bit more wood over there, but oh, there's a sneak peek of the garden. Everything's growing really well. I've got some hoops on there. I'm gonna put some insect netting on because I'm getting a little bit of bugs. Hopefully I'm not putting it on too late, but that's going good. The greenhouse is going really good. Thought I might just show you this. I'm gonna do a video on it, but I put a ventilation fan on it. We've got a temperature controlled thermostat right there. Turns that fan on when it reaches whatever temp I want it. I think it's at 85 right now. Actually just bought a thermostat. And then I've just got my power there, charging the old cell phone. So there it is. I've got some more lettuce started. We've got the berries that I did a video on, just showing how I staked them up. So yeah, that is what's going on here. I'm kind of dark, aren't I? That's better. But that's what's going on here on the 1 Acre Vegan Farm. Thought I'd just pop in, show you my new toy. I'm having a blast with it, just shredding and chipping stuff up. So, Plant-Based Gabriel, we're here on the 1 Acre Vegan Farm. Make sure you check out one of the playlists, 1 Acre Vegan Farm, everything we're doing here, or check out some healthy vegan recipes of me in the Plant-Based Gabriel kitchen, also the Dr. Miller kitchen, I guess. But yeah, thanks for sticking around, and I'll hopefully see you on another video very soon.